Welcome to MarineMax in Kent Island, Maryland. Today we're going to go over a new boat we just got in. This is a 2026 Sea Ray 260 SLX Outboard. As you can see, it has the nice Kingfisher teal 3-zone gel coat with the black boot stripe. Really complements the black water sports tower and the black Mercury 400 horsepower V10 outboard. Very powerful. Push this boat up to, in the low 50s, which is plenty of power for this specific model. Let's jump on board. It has the gray interior, the vinyl flooring, which I really like. So Sea Ray calls this their stone interior. And you start with your battery compartment down here, battery switches. But another thing, look how deep that is. So you can go, you got at least 7-8 feet of storage down there. This is easy access up and down cup holders. You got a nice bench seat here. This one's outfitted with your ski pole. And as you step in the boat, this is new from Sea Ray in the last, I'd say, year or two, but I like it a lot. And this actually has some Kingfisher teal stitching in it. All right, so layout, Sea Ray 260 SLX. This is obviously your outboard version, so you're not gonna find a stern drive under here, but you will find a nice bilge caddy. Underneath that caddy is kind of your technical compartment with your batteries, bilge pumps, switches. So that is handy storage. Again, SLX, right? So you're getting the upgraded package, upgraded stitching. A lot of the things on the SDX are now standard on the SLX. This one, I guess a major difference. So these chairs spin all the way around. So if you are, anchored out at a restaurant, you can use all of this space as a really nice social cockpit. Floor storage, go under here, stick, bags and things you need for the day. Helm, this has your active trim, standard Mercury feature. Tilt steering wheel, 2 9-inch Simrad displays. Another chair, captain's chair that can spin around, bolster. And then your head. I believe we have some cushions in here, or some cockpit and bow cover. Freshwater sink. A little glove compartment as well, stick your phones. It's a nice attitude. So you're sitting right here, ergonomic, right there, nice armrest, very comfortable. You walk up to the bow, wind block door, and then you can close this windshield. Armrest, cup holders, leather wrap grab handles right here. So feeling secure in the boat is something I love to see. And then floor storage, and you have a windlass on this boat. So anchor windlass package with a remote controller. And here's your bow washdown to wash off the anchor after you pull it up. But one thing I love from the Sea Ray is this storage here. So this storage lifts up, and another lift up, and you get a ton of storage back here. This is right below the console, and you can fit a lot of stuff in there. So this boat's here at Kent Island in MarineMax. If you want to come check out this boat, give us a call, 410-732-1260.